Sleep. This mysterious thing takes over our lives for a third of our time on Earth. It's like diving deep into the unknown, where our minds wander and our bodies get to rest and heal. But what really happens when we're out like a light? And why do we even need to sleep? What secrets is sleep hiding? People have been wondering about these things for ages. Every night, it's like we're going on an amazing trip through a world of dreams. This journey is super important to keep our bodies and minds healthy. Come along with us as we explore sleep, figure out its mysteries, and learn how to get a good night's rest. Sleep isn't just about taking a break, it's super important for our bodies and minds. It's like a foundation for being healthy and happy. While we're catching those Z's, our bodies are busy fixing things, making our immune system stronger and keeping our hormones in check so we're ready for a new day. But if we don't sleep enough, it's like we're secretly hurting our bodies without even realizing it. Studies show that not getting enough sleep makes us more likely to have heart problems, diabetes, weight gain, and feel down, which can make us feel even worse. A really smart guy named Professor Sergio Tufik from Brazil has spent his whole life trying to understand sleep and how it affects our health. His research shows that sleep is super important for our brains to work right. It affects our mood, memory, focus, and even how well we learn. Sleeping well is like making a good investment in your health and happiness so you can live a better life. Sleep isn't just one thing, it has different parts. It's like a dance between two special types of sleep, REM and non-REM. Non-REM sleep is when our brains slow down and our muscles relax. This is when our bodies can finally rest and fix themselves, making us stronger and healthier. Then there's REM sleep, where our brains are super active. We have crazy dreams and our eyes move around a lot under our eyelids. This is when our minds work through our feelings, remember things better, and come up with new ideas. Think of sleep like a play, where the stage changes from being calm and peaceful to exciting and full of energy. We need both types of sleep to feel truly rested. For some people, sleep isn't peaceful at all. It's like a battle against sleep problems. Instead of resting, they feel worried and uncomfortable. For example, sleep apnea makes you stop breathing for a few seconds at a time throughout the night. This makes it hard to sleep well and can even cause heart problems if you don't get it treated. Insomnia is another problem where your mind races and you feel anxious, making it almost impossible to fall asleep. It's like your brain can't turn off. The good news is that doctors have gotten much better at helping people with sleep problems. They can use therapy, medicine, and special equipment to help you sleep better. There's even a test called a sleep study that can help doctors figure out what's wrong with your sleep. If you're having trouble sleeping, talking to a doctor is the best thing to do. They can help you get the sleep you need. Dreams are like visitors in our minds that show us pictures, make us feel things, and tell us wild stories. People have always been fascinated by them. Sigmund Freud, a famous psychologist, thought dreams were a way for us to understand the hidden parts of our minds, like secrets we're keeping from ourselves. Another psychologist, Carl Jung, believed dreams were how our conscious and unconscious minds talk to each other, using symbols and stories. Even though people still argue about what dreams mean, scientists today agree that they're important for our mental health. During REM sleep, our minds process emotions, remember things better, and let go of stress from the day. Dreams, even the weird ones, can help us understand ourselves and feel better emotionally. People used to think our brains turned off when we slept, but now we know that our brains are busy even when we are sleeping. While our bodies are resting, our brains are hard at work, organizing information, storing memories, and keeping everything running smoothly. New studies show that our sleeping brains are like conductors of an orchestra, making sure our bodies and minds are in sync. Scientists are even learning about lucid dreaming, which is when you know you're dreaming while you're dreaming. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for understanding how our minds work. As scientists continue to study sleep, we're going to learn even more about this amazing and important part of life. Sleeping well is super important for a healthy body and mind. It helps us feel better, think clearer, and remember things more easily. Here are some tips to help you sleep better. First, try to go to bed and wake up around the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps your body get into a good rhythm. It's like setting an alarm clock inside your body. Second, make sure your bedroom is a good place to sleep. Keep it dark, quiet, and cool. Don't use phones, tablets, or computers before bed because the light from these devices can make it harder to fall asleep. Third, eating healthy foods and exercising can also help you sleep better. But don't exercise right before bed. Try to eat foods with tryptophan, like nuts and seeds, which help your body make melatonin, the sleep hormone. Fourth, avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. These can make it hard to fall asleep and stay asleep. Try a calming herbal tea, like chamomile, instead. Fifth, take some time to relax before bed. You can take a warm bath, read a book, or try meditation. Remember, taking care of your sleep is important. When you sleep well, you have more energy and can handle challenges more easily. So how's your sleep? Think about your sleep habits and see if you can make any changes to sleep better and live a happier life.